YouTube family, what is going on today, guys? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today we are bringing you guys a little bit different video. We're going to be doing a GFUEL flavor taste test. By the title, you guys already know what flavor we're doing. We're going to be doing the Bobby Boy Boysenberry flavor by Logic. A lot of you guys know I'm a big Logic fan myself. The Boysenberry brings back memories to when I was younger. My grandma used to grow these in her backyard. I used to pick them and steal them from her. So super excited to do this and taste this new flavor. So if you guys do enjoy this video, guys, please do me a favor. Leave a thumbs up on the video. Comment down below if you guys want to see more of these videos or what flavor I should do next. And also, if you guys are new, please do me that favor. Smash that dang subscribe button if you guys are new. Turn on the notification bell, guys. Let's get straight into it. So guys, here we have it. We have the GFUEL Bobby Boysenberry box. This is the collector's edition. Very nice artwork, as you guys can see. We got Logic here on the front. If you guys don't know, this is the Logic record label logo. And also we got some Boysenberries back here shooting from the background. Super nice background artwork. Let's take a look on the side. We got Logic chilling there, drinking some GFUEL. Look at him, man. That is awesome. Let's check out the front. We got the shaker right here, and then we got the GFUEL right here. Front artwork is similar to the back artwork, so not much of a difference there. We got the turbine logo by GFUEL right there. Super beautiful box, guys. I cannot complain about this at all. By far one of my favorite collector's boxes that GFUEL has come out with. All right, so let's get this bad boy opened up. Let's go over the shaker really quick. Let's go over details and how it looks like. So here is the Logic shaker. Let that focus in. There we go. We got Logic right here. We got the Bobby Boy record label logo. The color is like a teal, and the shaker is like a translucent clear color. Actually looks pretty dope. Top bottle cap is a red color. Kind of looks pink from the camera, but it's actually red. Then we're gonna open up. The divider in there is also a red color. So very nice cup, guys. Super, by far probably one of my new favorite cups. And it looks like we do have a limited edition Logic sticker. We have not seen one of these in such a long time, guys. Check this out, guys. This looks freaking amazing. Look at how amazing that artwork. I cannot get over how cool that looks, guys. Just all the colors, the blue, the purples, the Boysenberries. Man, this is a freaking awesome sticker, guys. I'm so hyped. So the moment we've all been waiting for, here is the tub. That is gorgeous. Look at the artwork on that, guys. That is beautiful. Taking a look here at the ingredients, it doesn't look like there's any major differences or any added ingredients compared to the other GFUEL flavors, so nothing to worry about there. So guys, let's get this opened up. Let's put some GFUEL in our shaker. Let's taste test this. Let's smell it. Let's get it, guys. This is how I open up my GFUEL tubs. I don't like to be weird, you know, and kind of peel it off. I kind of just run my thumb along the side, keep the top artwork in place. There we go. Pop the cap open, and oh my goodness, here we go, guys. This is beautiful. Pull off the seal. Woo! All right, so just right off the rip, guys, it looks like there is some speckles in there of purple in the GFUEL powder. The GFUEL powder is kind of just white, as you guys can see. There is a little bit of like purple speckles in there. Let's smell the GFUEL powder. I'm not gonna snort it. I'm gonna smell it. Let's see what it smells like. So it's kind of got like a candy, like fruity grape smell. Super excited, guys. I want to really try this out. We're gonna get to the taste test very soon. Here's our scooper right there. I actually take off that top part because that top part right here that I'm talking about, that's in case you don't have a shaker and you have a water bottle that assists you in pouring the GFUEL powder into the water bottle. Here I have the GFUEL shaker full of ice and nice cold water. If you guys don't put ice in your GFUEL, I don't know what you're doing with yourself. You need to put ice in your GFUEL. It tastes a lot better. Trust me. Trust me. For those of you guys that have never tried GFUEL or never made GFUEL, the way I do it is I usually add half a shaker full of ice cubes, and then I fill it all the way to the top full of water, and then I will pour a full scoop of GFUEL into the shaker. So let me show you. So here I have the GFUEL powder. We're just gonna pour that in there just like this. There we go. And then I usually shake it for about 45 seconds to 60 seconds. So let's get to shaking. All right, we got our boysenberry all shaken up in our GFUEL shaker. I really want to show you guys the color of the GFUEL flavor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it into this little glass cup right here, just so you guys can see the flavor. And I'm actually gonna be drinking it out of here, just for video's sake. I'm gonna pop the top, pour it into our little fancy glass right here. Oh man, so as you guys can see, the color is like nice and purple. Actually looks cool. I feel fancy drinking out of this little glass cup. So if you guys are drinking some GFUEL right now or drinking some water, cheers to you guys. Clink. Let's take it. Let's do it. We're going into the GFUEL taste test. Let's get it. Guys, that tastes really freaking good. So I want to describe the flavor to you guys. It kind of has like a little hint of grape in there, but you can kind of taste like towards the end of the flavor a little boysenberry taste. So if you guys don't know what boysenberry tastes like, they kind of have like a little bitter taste to them. I'm gonna take another sip of this just because I have like that taste on my mouth. I'm craving it right now. It's delicious. Man, that is delicious, guys. So guys, if you guys have made it this far to the video, please do me a favor. Remember to smash that like button. If you guys do want to see more of these, please leave a comment. I'd really appreciate it. So let's jump into the rating that I would give Bobby Boysenberry. So guys, I think compared to the other flavors like Shiny Splash kind of has a similar taste to it. It's got like a lemony blueberry taste. I want to compare it a little bit to Bobby Boysenberry. Shiny Splash by far is one of my favorite flavors. If you guys have not tried Shiny Splash, I recommend it. But back to Boysenberry, I would rate this maybe an 8 out of 10, and I would put this in my top 3 just because I love Logic, I love Boysenberries, and this actually tastes pretty good. It doesn't have a bad aftertaste. So guys, if you guys do want to purchase some GFUEL, you guys do want to try the Bobby Boysenberry flavor, I will be leaving a link to GFUEL down in the description. I'm not partnered and I'm not sponsored by them whatsoever, but maybe in the near future, maybe we have a GFUEL code, who knows. So if you guys do want to go check them out, they also are going to be releasing the cans here in March. Not sure what date in March, but it is leaked that in March they will be having the Bobby Boysenberry cans. I will be doing a review on that too, so if you guys do want to see that, remember, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and comment down below if you guys want to see any other GFUEL flavor. I hope you guys enjoyed this, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out, everybody. Stay blessed.